Good morning, everyone. My name is Liz, and I'm reporting live from the store this morning. My apologies for the delay. Welcome to a Tuesday morning quick unboxing. I have lots of goodies. Well, not lots. It'll be short and sweet, but I do have some really cool goodies to share with you guys this morning. So thank you for watching on replay. If you're joining me live, I really appreciate it. And in a moment, we will dive right into things. Before we get super started, quick reminder, if you see anything that you like and you want to learn more about it, go to our website, www.classact.ca, click on shop and the category new arrivals, then January, and you will find all of these goodies and lots more. So I'm going to start off with a new company that we're carrying. I know quite a few of you guys have requested some flat shaker elements or flat bling for cards to make them more male friendly. So we found this company called This Calls for Confetti, and they make these amazing, super flat little confetti. So they're almost like sequins, but without the circle to sew them. So it's just like a solid little sequin embellishment. It's really cute. They have all kinds of great colors. So this first one is called Glazed Strawberry. Up next, I'm going to share with you guys this one. This one is called Moonstone. This is one of my favorites. This one is the Glazed Raspberry, which, despite the name, it's not raspberry color, but it's absolutely stunning. It's one of my favorites. Then we have Metallic Lilac Hologram. So this one is a holographic sequin, but like how cool for like a birthday card or celebration. We have a matte black sequin confetti. This little rainbow one is actually called Rainbow Dazzle Dots. So fun. Oh, I love this one too. This one is called Satin Walnut. So it's sort of like a soft walnut glossed color. It's very pretty. Then we have this one, Fallen Snow. Still time for winter projects. Gold tinsel. This one's cool because it's almost got like a line in it, or like a tinsely vibe. Good morning, Liz. It's weird, my camera keeps like readjusting itself. I'm using the camera stand here at the store, so hopefully it sorts itself out. This one is the bright ones. This is a green sequin confetti. Then we have this one. It's so pretty. This is a rainbow pearl confetti snow. So it's sort of like opalescent. I love it. We have metallic red holographic. So very pretty here. This one is silver tinsel. So again, you're going to see sort of that holographic line shimmering through. I just have to move them back and forth so you guys can see them. This one is navy sequin confetti. Super cool. Then we have yellow bouquet confetti. I love this one. I'm obsessed. I have this one now. So this is the iridescent light blue confetti. But it's like really soft. My camera jumps around because I hold it closer. Then there's the Lumi Blue. That's really nice. They're almost like fish scales. Like you could do a rainbow fish. Then before it falls off the table, we have Bring On the Bouquet turquoise. Ta-da. A matte, or this one's called Satin Silver. Love that. Lumi Violet. So pretty. Opaque iridescent seafoam. Neptune Rainbow Pearl. But wait, there's more. turquoise tinsel. So again, you see those tinsel lines. This one is bouquet pink. So pretty. Oh, another one of my favorites. This is the glazed peach. Obsessed. Opaque iridescent light blue. Just a nice light blue color. This one is really, really pretty. This one is sparkle all the way. It's like a silver. We have, what is this called? Pops of Sunshine. This one is like a pastel yellow. Good morning, Trish. Thanks for joining. Sorry for the late start. Had to pull orders and take a couple phone calls before we hopped into things this morning. So then we have iridescent red, which is actually more of like a nice pink sort of tone, but this one would be super cute in a Valentine shaker. Then we have metallic peach hologram. So again, it's got that holographic sort of vibe to it, but then it's like this nice peachy rose gold color. Then we have sea glass. There's more. Lumi Blue. I think I showed this one, but why not show it twice? Because it's just that good. This one is metallic. Then we have this one. This one's called Iridescent Emerald Green, but it almost reminds me of like an oil slick. So pretty. Then we have this one. This is just a holographic silver. Classic, can't go wrong. They also have some really fun shaker elements. This one is called Creepy Crawlers. So you get some pumpkins, some little black beads, some spot cobwebs, stars, and so on. Then let's do all the Halloweeny ones. This one is super cute. It's got little tiny bats and little eyeballs in purple and green, and then just some little green circle embellishments as well. And then there's like a pastel sort of spooky confetti. This one is called Pastel Peepers, but it's got little skulls and moons and stars and little pastel colored peepers. We also have this one. This is called Gingerbread Bliss, because for those of us who craft Christmas all year, we need this in our lives. And last but not least, look at these heart little envelopes. They're called love letters. How stinking cute. So that concludes my sequin portion of the unboxing video. Thank you for bearing with me. Trish says, love these little gems. I do too. I'm really, really glad we brought them in. I was kind of hesitant, but I think we did a good thing. Up next, what do I have to share with you guys? I have some of these cute little creative expressions dies. So we are restocking as many as we can because we just found out that these have been discontinued. I wish Bella was here. I think she mentioned something about the company no longer existing or maybe just focusing on Europe. But either way, we love these dies and we want to bring in as many as we can. So starting off, we have Happy Retirement. Thanks for all you do. And they're a good size. They're great for popping on cards instead of stamping a sentiment. This one actually cuts the words as well as the shadow. And one thing I love about these is all of the letters are actually attached. So you don't have to piece everything together, which is great. You make my heart bloom. And then we have this lovely new stamp set from Craft Consortium. It's like coffee stains. I don't know what they call this. Ink and coffee stains. Very accurate. So you could use these as like paint splatters or little rings around a mug. You could use them on your coffee cards, stick a little gift card in your project. I like these for journaling too, or just sort of jazzing up an otherwise plain background. So voila. Then we have this cute little stamp from Karen Bernstein. This one is birthday centric or baking centric. So this one says, celebrate your day with sweet treats. Life is what you bake it. Bake with love. Happiness is a warm cookie. Sending freshly baked warm hugs. Cupcakes are always a good idea. From my kitchen, made just for you, and life is sweet. So for all you bakers out there, this is really cute to pop on a tag and then give away some cookies or muffins or whatever you make, whatever your specialty is. Then we have this really cute one from Bo Bunny. This one says, "You are my cup of tea," and tea party, tea time. And it's got little teacups, little spoons and stuff. So it's very tea centric. I think these are peonies. And it's really cute. Great for Mother's Day. You could make little tea cozies. Found another one of these creative expressions. This one is with sympathy. So this is also a great one to have in your stash. We have from Crafter's Companion, this sweet little honeybee stamp and die set. So this actually has the bee, a honeycomb, honey, and then sentiments like sweeter than, be kind to yourself. Kind words are like honey, I assume. I'm buzzing for you, to my bee, love you, be happy, you're mine, be awesome, and meant to be. And then there's coordinating dies to cut out the bee and the word honey as well. So really, really cute. These guys are also another company that are no longer catering to North America, unfortunately. So we're really sad to hear that news, but we love their stuff. Then we have Doodlebug, this cute little 6x6. This one is called Hey Cupcake. Really, really sweet little designs here. So you get all kinds of party animals like llamas and cats and balloons, little people as well, ice creams, cupcakes. Need I say more? Try to give you a sneak peek, but it doesn't work very well. So really, really awesome for backgrounds. Again, from Crafter's Companion, we have the Fairy Glade 8x8 vellum pad back in stock. These have wonderful designs. I believe there's 4 of each in this pack, and there's 24 different sheets. So very, very pretty little backgrounds. And if you're into the Lavinia stamps or have a lot of fairy stuff at home, you could do some wonderful things with this. Trish says, I'm so sad about that news. Me too. I agree. It's kind of a bummer. Again, from Creative Expressions, we have this passport stamp set. Really, really cool. Great if you're into traveling or journaling, perhaps. Here's what it looks like on the back. From Lisa Horton, we have this awesome sandstone wall embossing folder back in stock. I feel like we've had this before, but it's awesome. So we brought it back in. So the detail and the texture is next level. From Craft Consortium, we have, what is this? It's a stamp set. It's called Journal Sentiments. So this is perfect for journalers out there. My story, live, journal, travel, and love life. End of story, what if, laugh, the journey, beginning, chapter, number of next holiday family best. And you can combine these to make sentences that flow or little sentiments. Last but not least, we have some new sporty collections from Simple Stories. We have this one, which is a hockey-inspired set. So this actually has 71 pieces, including journal cards, really awesome 12x12 backgrounds, and of course, most importantly, some awesome hockey-themed stickers, skates and pucks and sticks and trophies. So for all you hockey fans, scoop it. And then for all you soccer fans, we also have this adorable soccer one. So again, you get some really awesome little journaling cards. You could do cute little coach gifts with these. We have soccer. This is the soccer life. Come on, ref. Hard work beats talent, and so on and so forth. Really, really cute. And then I think there's a golf one, which I have hanging up. So I'm just going to run and grab that so I can share it with you guys too. All right, I may have lied. The golf one actually has been scooped. We can order more in, but we do have some golf themed stickers. So this one is really, really cute. It's golf themed stickers. Golf 4, life is short, swing hard, let's hit the green, on par, no ifs, ands, or putts, kiss my putt, terrific, and so on and so forth. So we're getting sporty. There's also, I want to say, pickleball, and a couple other sports. So if you're interested in learning more, shoot us a message, send us an email, give us a call. Don't be afraid to reach out. We're very friendly. On that note, thank you all so much for joining me for another fun unboxing video. It was short and sweet, but I had a great time, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Okay, until then, bye!